Did you know that your Android phone has secret codes that unlock hidden features, diagnostic tools, and technical information? In today's video, I'll show you 4 powerful Android secret codes that can help you test your phone, clear system logs, check firmware versions, and more. These are not your everyday settings. Most users don't even know they exist. Let's dive in. Code number 1, the hidden hardware test menu. The first one is number 0, Where's. This opens the hardware test menu on many Android phones. Here you can test your screen, RGB display, vibration motor, touch panel, speaker, sensors, and even your camera. If your phone has a problem or you just want to make sure everything is working properly, this is the fastest way to do it. A note, this menu may not work on all Android brands. Samsung usually supports it best. Code number 2, System SysDump Mode. This opens the SysDump menu where you can view system logs, battery history, and even clear junk log files. One useful option here is Delete Dump State.Yr's Logcat. It can help free up storage and slightly improve performance by removing system clutter. Again, this one is often supported on Samsung and some rooted devices. Code number 3, Wi-Fi firmware info. And refresh. The third code is 263 churros. This shows your Wi-Fi firmware version and gives you an option to refresh it. If you've just updated your device or are facing Wi-Fi issues, using this code to refresh your Wi-Fi module can sometimes help. Code number 4, software and hardware info. And finally, this code reveals detailed software and hardware information like your baseband version, firmware date, build number, and more. If you're troubleshooting or comparing phone specs, this code gives you all the technical info at a glance. These codes don't work on all phones. Some manufacturers restrict them for security reasons, but if you're using a Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, or Realme device, you'll likely have success.